Evening, Jadies and Linterman. Tonight I'm going to be cutting down that Harris fence panel. Going to be making it a little bit narrower so it will go across the driveway, and I'm going to actually also put a fence, no not a fence, a gate in the fence. That's the right thing to say. Right, today my grandson Jack's going to help us, and he's on the tea thing as well. Oh, you are a little bit too hot to handle, Jack.
I can't hold it.
Okay, so when we started, we'll catch up when we've done a little bit. Catch up with you in a bit.
I'm not holding my tea.
So as you can see, we got a little bit wet. So we're just going to cut this off right here, drill them rivets out, cut it there and there, cut that bit off and then move it across. Sounds easy, it's not. Yeah.
Need help?
Take the cups in.
What are you drinking?
I know, I don't love tea as much as you see.
I'm never doing this again. you need to make the outro if you're drinking the tea.
Oh, yeah. Cold tea is so much fun.
I'm not drinking. I haven't got anything on the cup. I drank it all.
Take my tea. I love tea. Even when it's freezing cold. Right, so we've done the fence. Fence is done, isn't it, Jack? Jack's helped me quite a bit. We've done the fence. That's ready to go in over across there, and we're all done. That's this little short video.